Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, Afrid Infotech YouTube channel. Back after years, we started this journey with games, fun and memories, but life had different plans. In 2021, we had to pause everything because of studies and exams. We tried to come back many times, but it never worked out until now. This is the new beginning, a fresh start, not just for the channel, but the purpose behind it. From gaming to education that actually protects your life online. And what better way to start than with something that affects all of us? Our personal data being tracked every day. Today's video is about how your data is stolen silently and a VPN can help you to stay protected in the digital world. Ever noticed seeing ads for something you only talked about or you browsed on internet? That's because your phone is spying on you. Yes, even in your pocket. How apps tracks you. Apps like Instagram, Google, Truecaller, Facebook, even some games collect your data silently. They track your location, contacts, microphone, and your location, IP address, and device configuration, so on. So here I will show you how to protect your data from online. To secure data, we have to use a VPN. VPNs means virtual private network. A VPN hides our real-time IP address and encrypts our online activity. So hackers, ISPs and trackers cannot see what we are doing on internet or what we are browsing. But when you use a VPN, your data first goes through a secure encrypted tunnel to a VPN server. That server then connects to the internet, hiding your real location and activity. Here is the real time example. Now I will open Flipkart, and one thing before opening the Flipkart, here I will show you I have not given any permission to the Flipkart, right? Okay. See, we can see all are yesterday and past 24 hours back only. But see, now I am opening Flipkart. So I don't know the Flipkart is gathering, taking my data or not. So to confirm that, we have to connect one VPN. So here I am using DuckDuckGo. So here I am enabling it app tracking protection. So here we can see 3131 attempts are blocked from across 5 apps. Okay, now I will close this one and I will open Flipkart and just I will scroll down a little bit down. Okay, now again let's close this app and again remove from our recent apps. Okay, so there is no any recent app, right? So just open the DuckDuckGo and app tracking. So here we can see that the Flipkart is trying to track our data. I mean, trying to get our data. So from branch matrix, it is one company to collect our data. So here, this one is collecting all our the sensitive data like personal information, email address, first name, last name, network carrier, and city, local IP address, time zone, and device configuration. And here, new relic is one company to collect our data. So this one also collecting our mobile device configuration. This is how inbuilt softwares collect our data. So final tip to secure our data, turn off all permissions you don't need, don't trust free VPNs, and next time you download an app, ask yourself why does it want access my mic or contacts. Protect your data, stay smart, stay secure. Thank you for watching our video. If anyone new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.